Hey everybody, this is your friend Ben, and I am in a 3-bedroom with a bonus room home in Salmon Creek. It is a family park. Let's start the tour. But first, take off your shoes. You got your mask on? You got your masks on, right? I'm getting used to these actually. Come on in. Alright, this is the living area. Can you hear me okay? This is the dining area. Right here is the bonus room I talked to you about. As you can see on the floor, there's also new laminate flooring that was just put in about 6 to 7 months ago. This is the kitchen. In this, the counters were just installed. These are new. About
few months. Just
how
a
many?
few months.
Few months. Stainless steel appliances that are also new. We have the stove and the refrigerator and the dishwasher. And these are all staying. And it's one of these cool ones. I like these refrigerators, you know, with the bottom with the freezer. Oh yeah, those are awesome. Oh, we're still recording. This is the utility room or the laundry room, whatever you want to call it. The water heater and the furnace are about 2 years old. No, the water heater is newer, but the furnace is...
The furnace coils.
The furnace coils are about
just a few years.
a few years old, so all good. Here's one bedroom. What's the lot rent here, Angela?
It's currently $550.
And does that include anything?
Water and sewer.
This is an all-age or family park. All right, why don't we move into the other bedroom before we hit the bathroom? Alright, bathroom number 1. Step inside. It is just a shower and a, so no tub, but a shower. Okay, let's hit the master bedroom. As you can see, this is really big, really nice. Can you believe this is a 1979? I can't believe it. Cannot believe it. Master bathroom. This thing is awesome. Look at all the updates they did. Angela, if people are worried about the year of the home, are they still able to get financing?
Yes. Regardless of the age of the home, there is financing available.
That's good to know.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, let's take you outside.